Well, I would say my engineering hero is probably Basil Jett, just because although his work isn't as visible, the fact that he engineered London's sewers made such a big difference in terms of public health and also in the development of London. So I think it's hard to match his contribution. The point that inspired me to become a civil engineer was when I attended a lecture all about the design of roller coasters at the University of Reading. And I went along with my dad when I was 14, not knowing much about engineering, but it really opened my eyes to the opportunities within the engineering industry. And this has been the career I've wanted ever since. I think my greatest achievement is the method I've derived to assess the strength of quadripartite bolts. And this was inspired following some experience I gained at London Bridge Station, where some of the bolts had to be demolished. And I've now come up with a method that can be used to determine their strength, and I hope this can be used to save more of these historic structures in the future. The thing I might love most about civil engineering is the fact that the work I complete on a daily basis makes a real difference to society. And although maybe you don't think it as an engineer, the work you complete does really have a big impact. I also think it's great that my work is so varied, and every day is a little bit different, and that really keeps me excited and interested in my career. If I could change one thing about the industry, it would definitely be the profile of engineers at the moment. In the UK, as has been published many times, we're facing a real identity crisis within engineering, and it's not the same issue within other countries, where engineers have much higher status. So if we could change that right now, then that'd be the one thing I'd want to change in our industry.
Michelle has showed she's got tremendous expertise right the way through her whole career. What really surprised us about how successful she's been in delivering her knowledge that she's gained through her education and through her projects, and more importantly, sharing that and communicating that with the wider industry. I haven't seen that in anyone before.
Yeah, I thought that she, when asked about what innovation could bring to design and construction in the future, she drew not only on the obvious sort of technical technology aspects, but also thought about innovative ways of procuring projects, and that kind of balance was really quite surprising. I think the thing that Michelle said that made me think was that she talked, in terms of encouraging more people into engineering in the future, she talked about reaching out to parents, and I do think this is perhaps an overlooked area that we need to address.
But as an ambassador to take civil engineering forward, I think she demonstrates she's got the personality, the expertise in terms of her skill and the communication skills we think is vitally important.